In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Many people wanna try one-handed mode, but it's really difficult to find on this Google Pixel. So don't worry, I got you. I will show you exactly how to manage it and use it. Start by opening Settings. Then scroll to tap on System section available here. Now tap on Gestures. Select one-handed mode, and finally, if you are using gesture navigation, use gray switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Then tap on Pull Screen into Reach and swipe down from the bottom edge of your screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, mine is working perfectly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same switcher as before. If you are using 3-button navigation though, I need to change mine real quick to show you. This feature will be disabled and even worse, not accessible. Instead, you need to scroll down to click on gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then tap on OK or Customize button and use one-handed mode by clicking on this shortcut. You can even move it around. If you want to manage one-handed mode shortcut, click on it on the left and operate all of those options however you want to. To disable it, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!